Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Anwar, and Education for Us All. So, as you can see, we are in our kitchen once more, and welcome you to our segment, Cooking Made Simple. So, today's dish is going to be a chicken based dish. It is boneless chicken, boneless karahi chicken with various vegetables that are favorites of mine, but you don't have to have them. I guess beetroot, chickenkarahi I think would be the most unusual thing, but I love it. Okay, so it will have beetroot, it will have potatoes, and it will have peas. And other than that, we've got an array of spices which I will introduce as we go along. We will also need some yogurt and as I say, an array of other things such as garlic and ginger. So the oil has been boiled. Can we put the onions in there, please? So this is 4 small onions that we are going to soften. As you can see, the onions have softened nicely, and we are adding garlic paste and garlic ginger, which, as you can see, is in frozen form. And we are also now going to add tomatoes, and this is, well, after this we need to fry the chicken. And as you can tell there, the tomatoes have softened, and we are now going to add the chicken. This is the thigh of a chicken, viewers, that I am using. You can use whatever you like, whether it's breast, etc. Okay, so obviously this will need cooking for a while, so we're going to cook it for about 10-15 minutes. So the chicken's cooked nicely, so we'll put some potatoes in because they take a while. Can we put the garlic and chilies in as well, please? So these are all flavours, hopefully, to add flavour, I should say. Love chilies. So just put in some garlic in, and then can we add the spices, please, the flavour spices as I call them, and give that a good mix. Can we add the salt over there? So around about well, as per taste, but we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons, sorry. Can we add the chili now, please? Chili. Okay. Again, as per taste, we're putting a tablespoon. So these are the flavours that we like. Yeah, garam masala, lovely. And finally, turmeric. Okay, so these are the flavours, and of course the others will give you lots of aroma. So let that blend in for 10 minutes or so. Okay, don't know whether you can notice there, viewers, another thing that I like is chili flakes. Again, gives it that little bit of bite. They've been very forgetful today. Something else that gives flavour is cumin zira. Okay, so that is in whole form. We have powdered form as well. It's cooking nicely. We're going to add the peas into that because I like peas. You don't have to have this, of course, very optional. And as you can see, these are frozen, but they will melt very quickly. So as you can see, the chicken cooking away nicely there. Not quite done yet, but we are ready for the next ingredient to make it into my favourite karahi dish, which is yogurt. So around about 3 spoons there should give it that tangy yogurt taste. So it's up to you if you want, Greek yogurt or tangy. So as you can see, the chicken's cooked nicely, the water has evaporated, we're ready for our last addition, which is my favourite thing. That is beetroot chukkandar. Okay, this has already been boiled, so it won't take that long, no more than 5 minutes really. Okay, but if you're using fresh, and then obviously that will take a lot longer. But that basically is our dish, and we are going to add what I call the aroma spices. Okay, so this is ground cloves, nothing here long. What's this? Cinnamon, okay. Okay, that really brings across strong aromas. That is beginning to look lovely. And there we have it, viewers, my chicken karahi dish with beetroot. So just garnishing it with one of my favourite herbs, which is thyme, and this is fenugreek, which of course is methi. Okay, that is it. I do hope you're going to try my simple chicken karahi dish, viewers. Please, as always, make the plea to please watch fully. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आप ये डिश भी ट्राई करेंगे. ये सिंपल चिकन कढ़ाई डिश थी चुकंदर के साथ, जो मेरी पसंदीदा वेजिटेबल है. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.